Hey everyone, my name is Sanidhya and welcome back to the YouTube channel. After my CFA Level 1 Free Resources video got so much love from you guys, I've been getting a lot of comments that please make the same for CFA Level 2. So here it is, your complete free resources guide for CFA Level 2. Every single video that I've added in the Excel sheet is been handpicked by me so that you guys can get quality content all in one place. So how to use this Excel? In column A, you'll see the different topics that we have, or you can call them as different subjects as quantitative methods, economics, FSA, equity, like all the subjects which are there in CFA level 2. In column B, we have the learning modules as 1, 2, 3, 4, which has been according to the CFA curriculum. In column C, you'll see the reading name or the chapters in each particular subjects. For example, in quantitative methods, we have machine learning, big data projects, cost of capital in corporate issuers, free cash flow valuation, equity. In column D, you will see the YouTube channel names, analyst prep, FinTree, money decoding. And in column E, you will see the links to the video lectures. So for example, for multiple regression, we have this video. So you just need to click on this video. So let's start from quantitative methods. So for quantitative methods, you'll see we have 7 different chapters, and especially for the top 5, which are kind of related to each other, especially the top 4, are being covered by analyst prep in a way. So I really like those videos. So I have made sure that I can provide you 2 options wherever it is possible. But especially for machine learning and big data projects, you'll see there are 3 different video lectures for machine learning and 2 different for big data project. And the reason was that there are a lot of people who do the CFA who are from a non-technical background, and this chapters are a little heavy on a technical side. So I've made sure that I can provide you good quality content. Like not me providing the good quality content, but I can find a good quality content for you. So you will see that FinTree lectures, money decoding, analyst prep, and these are the best lectures so far that I was able to find for this 2 particular topic. Now moving on to the economics section, the good thing is we just have 2 different chapters in economics, the currency exchange rate and the economic growth. And you'll see that the currency valuations, the currency exchange questions are the ones which are the highest in the economics, especially in the first chapter. So I've also made sure that I can um, find a lecture series specifically for calculation part, and this FinTree video lecture was the best that I was able to find. Now moving on to the financial statement analysis, and this was an area which was a little difficult for me personally because I come from a technical background. I did my engineering, so I made sure that I can find those videos which are the best on the YouTube available for everyone, and specifically for the starting 3, intercorporate investments, employee comp, and multinational operations. This 3 are the most important in the FSA. Like all the 6 different chapters are important, but the initial 3 is the most important. So you will see that we have all the FinTree videos specifically for the first 3, and these are the best. Like it is a kind of a small crash course, maybe 1 to 2 hours depending on the content available in those particular chapters, but these are the best. So I'll so make sure that you watch these 3. And then for even for analysis of financial institution, we have 2 different options, and then for integration of financial statement techniques, we have 2 different options as well. Now moving on to the corporate issuer side, this is usually the more theory side in CFA level 2, and I think the first one, like for FinTree 1, the analysis of dividend and share repurchase, was one of the best far lectures that I was able to find. But even for ESG, the money decoding made a really good video. For cost of capital, Anurag sir's video was really helpful. But for corporate restructuring, I just found one video. But if you find something, comment that in the comment box, and I'll make sure that I'll update that into this Excel. Now moving forward to equity, the one of the favorites, and like you'll see the initial 3 chapters in equity are kind of same or related to the CFA level 1, dividend discount model, free cash flow valuations, but the rest 3 is something which is totally new in CFA level 2. So I have made sure that I can provide you good content, and analyst prep and FinaVision was something that I was able to find on YouTube. But FinaVision is something which is a little underrated. The video quality in those videos were not too good, but it was really good on understanding side. If you want to understand residual income valuations, DDM, I think those videos were really good. So make sure you check them out as well. Now moving to fixed income part, I know if you are coming from CFA level 1, there are around 15 to 20 different chapters in fixed income in level 1, but in level 2 you will only see 5 different chapters, and that's a good thing. And the best part is that there's a crash course by Fintree for derivatives and fixed income, but on the fixed income side, there were only 2 chapters covered in those crash courses. So I have made sure that I can provide you the timestamp. So if you go and click on this video, which is this one, the crash course, so and just go to the 7 hour 54-minute time frame, you will be able to see that the fixed income crash course starts from there. And in that video, I think the first 2 chapters are being covered, like the term structure and the arbitrage tree valuation framework, and these 2 are the most important in the fixed income subject. But the good thing was that even for credit analysis model and credit default swaps, there were 2 different videos that has been created by Fintree. So in a way, fixed income has been completed and covered by Fintree. And personally saying, I feel that the way Utkarsh sir was explaining those videos was really very helpful. So make sure that you go check these videos as well. But I've also provided options for analyst prep, the Wall Street School, MEF systems, which um, is like they are the Kaplan videos. You'll go and you'll see and you'll understand what I was trying to say. Now moving forward to derivatives, the most technical and difficult in CFA level 2, and you don't need to worry. Why? Because derivatives, there is a full crash course by Fintree, which is 8 hours long, and if you just watch that crash course, you don't need to go and study for anything other. Like you don't need to go and look for any other video on YouTube, because this covers everything. Because in this crash course, what was a good thing, that it was not very orthodox in a way that you have to go and just do the questions, but you are also understanding the concept side by side. So make sure you watch the crash course if you are struggling on the derivatives part. Now moving forward to alternate investment, you'll see that in alternate investment, this is one of the easiest subjects for everyone. And honestly, it is a little difficult from CFA level 1, but not that difficult. So I have provided 2 different options where I feel like it is important. For hedge fund strategies, there's 2 different options for you: analyst prep and then the Sanjay Saraf sir's video. But make sure that there are other providers as well who have covered this thing, and I have not included those in this Excel sheet. But if you like someone else, do let us know. That this is a moving target, right? We will be updating the videos, because who knows, like if you're watching this video into 2050, all of these videos are not even present on YouTube channel, but some new videos must have came. So we have to make sure that we are updating the Excel sheet moving forward. Now the portfolio management section, and this is one of the most important for CFA level 2. Why? Because it will create the building blocks for you when you'll be going to CFA level 3. So I've made sure that I can provide you good resources, and I think analyst prep has done a really good job. Fintree, then Anurag sir, especially for analysis of active portfolio management, which is a little tricky for a lot of people. IFT has created really good video, so you can just go click on this link and enjoy that video. And now coming to the part ethics, which is the most highest weightage one. But the good thing is ethics is kind of same in CFA level 1 and CFA level 2, but the only difference is that the way that question is formed. Like in CFA level 2, you'll see vignettes, and I think the videos by Sanjay Saraf is the best. Even if you're CFA level 1 or level 2, this is the one video that you need to watch. But I've also provided you the analyst prep one. So if you're someone who is wants to understand things in a little different way, make sure you go and check out the whole playlist, because analyst prep has made videos according to the specific standards. So that is something that you can check out. So here is the complete list, and if you want this Excel sheet, you can find that in the description below. And thank you for watching.